student head at the RD School Goa. It gives me great pleasure to share that we've organized our very first RD Inter-School Swimming Championship, and it was a resounding success. This championship not only was an enjoyable and memorable experience for the participants, but it also inculcated a sense of sportsmanship among them all. And we're looking forward to organizing many such events in the future.
We are live from the RD School Goa. We're conducting our first inter-school swimming championships here in a 2-acre campus. We're the only school in Goa to start the first inter-school swimming championships. We are proud to share that we have over 32 schools with over 145 to 150 participants. The children are so excited, the students are competitive with the correct spirit of not only competition but participation and completion of each and every event. Medals, trophies, everything is secondary. Participation, motivation of each and every student for each and every event, not only for swimming, for each and every sports activities here at the RD School Goa is what we strive for in our students.
Hi, I'm Sanjana, an AS level student at the RD School. This meet is a great initiative that our school is conducting. It's very motivating for the younger athletes, and it's very nice to see so many participants. And in terms of the school has always supported me. I keep going for competitions and training, and the teachers and mentors are absolutely amazing. Every time I need something, I can contact them. Without them, I don't think I would be able to balance studying and swimming at the same time.
For the 50 meters breaststroke,
Yeah, I'm
Tara
very,
Di
very
Mello.
grateful for all the support the school has given me. My friends helped me as well. And yeah, the school pool is really great. It's a very
Di
nice
Mello.
initiative. Everyone can
Kindly
swim.
report to the medal
Like
podium
every day,
ASAP.
come to
Tara Di
school and
Mello.
swim. Thank you.
RD Inter-School swim meet, and I'm really impressed by the way it is organized, and so many schools have participated, and it was a very well organized event.